Good morning, dear student. Now we will discuss about the speed control by variation of terminal voltage. Speed control of DC motor. Speed control by variation of armature terminal voltage. This method is also known as Ward-Leonard method. Leonard method. In this method, we have to take one separately excited DC generator and other is separately excited DC motor. This is the separately excited DC generator. The output terminal of DC generator will connect it to the separately RFG, and this is the armature of the separately excited DC motor. This is the field winding RPM RFM. Here prime mover is connected to the generator. This is the prime mover. This is the generated EMF EA. This is positive, this is negative. Similarly, motor is negative, this is positive, generated EMF EA. If this is the variable field resistance RFG, this is the variable field resistance RFG, and this is the variable field resistance of motor RFM. These two quantity may be changes according to our requirement. Then this is the prime mover connected to the generator armature winding. Armature is rotating at a particular speed, rated speed. If field RF is increases, that means IFG decreases, then field flux is decreases, and terminal voltage VT is decreases. Then the motor terminal voltage is also decreases. The speed will be decreases. Speed will be decreases if we have to already derive the equation. Omega is equal to Vt minus Ia Ra divided by K phi. If we are decreasing the terminal voltage, the omega will be decreases. If increases the terminal voltage, omega will be increases according to this equation. And this terminal voltage is changes if IFG is increases, IFG decreases, flux phi decreases, and VT is decreases. If RF is decreases, then IFG increases, flux is increases, terminal voltage is increases. Through this concept, we are controlling the terminal voltage, and with the help of controlling the terminal voltage, also control the speed of the separately excited DC motor. And this controlling is only possible for a rated speed. If we are controlling beyond the rated speed, we are going through the field control of the separately excited DC motor. In this case, we are increasing the RFM, then IFM is decreases, flux is decreases, and omega will be the increases. If flux is decreases, omega will be increases. If RFM decreases, IFM increases, flux is increases, and omega will be decreases. This controlling is the beyond the rated speed. If we can draw the characteristics, speed control characteristics diagram, then this will be the speed, and this is the armature terminal voltage. Armature terminal voltage control from this point to this point. This point is here. This is the field control, and this is the rated speed. And this will be the maximum speed. This will be the torque. Here torque is constant, then lean slightly decreasing due to the, if flux are decreases, then torque will be decreases. If flux are increases, torque will be increases. But here power is linearly increases to this point and become constant from this point. This is the power P, and this is the torque T. This is the all about the speed control by variation of armature terminal voltage, combinedly known as Ward-Lenault method. In a Ward-Lenault method, this type of controlling are used.